Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And as you can see, I've got the a different than English language applied. So let me show you how to change it. All you have to do is to go to the settings. So just tap on this gear icon, or to be honest, more flower icon. Let's tap. And here tap on languages. Now let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here localize the language which you'd like to use. So you can either scroll or you can try to enter the name of the language in the search bar. Just find the language and then tap on it. Now, after tapping, you can choose the keyboard layout. So it's completely up to you which one you prefer. You can mark, for example, 2 or 3. You can apply them. It's completely up to you. And then tap on Done. And as you can see, our language has been immediately applied to the list. Let me quickly go back to the keyboard. So I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. As you can see, in my case, I've got 4 different layouts. So here we've got the language key, the globe icon, thanks to which we can change the layouts. So just tap on it, and as you can see, we can switch between the languages. Moreover, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So to remove to leave only one language applied, we have to open the settings, then go to languages, and here tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon. Now mark the languages which you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.